Hey everybody, I just wanted to give you a little bit of guidance on what you should be thinking about when we're talking about character traits, as we're talking about in the two stories that you're going to be looking at today. We Found a Hat and This Is Not My Hat. So there are two characters in each of these stories, and I would love for you to think about both of the characters as equals when you're doing the character traits. If you want to pick just one character, you can, but I think that it is really a good exercise to think about the two main characters, especially in We Found a Hat. In that book, the characters are relatively equal. And actually, they are too in This Is Not My Hat. I mean, I think that both of the characters in both of these books are pretty critical to driving the action. So that's kind of what we're thinking about. So on your piece of paper, if you have just a clean sheet of paper, this is what I think you should think about. So I've done this on a whiteboard. So remember what we are talking about at the beginning of the Word document that you're looking at. You have two types of characterization. You have direct and indirect. So the direct is what the author tells me or shows me in this case. Because we're looking at a picture book, there are things in the illustrations, the way that it looks, the way that the character looks, that stuff is important, I think. So that's what I would write here. What are the direct characterizations? And those are mostly going to be physical traits, okay? So then the other part, divide your paper into a little cross like this, and then in each one of those boxes, put in actions, thoughts, feelings, and words. And then you want to write down what in the book did you see for each of these when you are looking at the book and reading the book. You might want to go back to it and look at it again or have it read to you again. But these are the ones that are very important, and you want to give text evidence for them, right? This is the important thing about characterization. The author is giving you evidence by telling you what that character is thinking or feeling in words and actions. So that's what I wanted you to do for the rest of this exercise. It shouldn't take you too long. The books are relatively short, as you can tell. I hope that you'll enjoy them though, and I hope you'll enjoy this exercise. When I was thinking about it, I was thinking about the ways that the illustrations help and the way that the author really gives you some nuggets about those characters in the way that he draws them and in the way that he writes about them. So anyway, that's what I was thinking that you could do. Would love to talk about these sometimes. If you have any questions, you can certainly email me at margaret.clay@cobbk12.org. Have fun with this, you guys. I love talking about characters, and we will talk again soon. Take care.